and welcome back to my channel. Thank you to all my new subscribers and my old ones as well. I'm really grateful. So today I'm going to do a multicoloured bloom and it's going to be beautiful. I've got some lovely iridescent colours by Magic Fly and one Deco Art Gold. So let me show you my colours. Let's go make some art. Let me show you my colours. These are all Magic Fly apart from the gold, which is Deco Art Metallics. So I have chocolate brown and I have shining pink and fluorescent mild yellow, fluorescent light apricot, emerald green, Deco Art Metallics gold, soft pink and lavender purple. And the consistency is kind of medium. So there's a trail, but it disappears quickly. Okay, let's get started. Oh, wow, these colours are stunning. Let's give this a spin. gosh, look at these colours. Just beautiful. I love that emerald in with the pinks and all these soft colours. I don't know if I've got too much paint on here, but I don't want to touch it. It's so beautiful. Some lovely lacing and cells. And the edges of the, oh look at that colouring there. The edges of the petals are really pretty. I don't know if I've got too much paint on here. We'll see when it dries. I will show you when it's dry. Here we are with the dry result. And a little bit of texture, but I'm going to resin this one so you won't see it. It is so stunning. The colours are just beautiful. The cells and the lacing. Look at that, so pretty. I did do some little swirls and twirls, and really happy. Thank you so much for watching, and have a wonderful day.